Recognizing good versus bad mediators. Recognizing good versus bad mediators. Mediators play an important role in helping parties resolve disputes. A good mediator fosters conversations and agreement. A bad mediator can impede the process and create further problems. This presentation covers what you should look for in a good or bad mediator. Signs of a good mediator. Neutrality and impartiality. Mediators should treat all parties fairly and without bias. Active listening. Mediators should pay close attention to what each party is saying. Effective communication. Mediators should communicate clearly and respectfully. Patience and persistence. Mediators will work to help parties reach an agreement. Facilitation skills. Mediators guide the conversation to help the parties explore options. A good mediator moves your mediation forward by encouraging discussion and making sure all parties are on the same page. Signs of a bad mediator. A bad mediator will show favoritism for one party over another. They may display aggressive or intimidating behavior, or pressure parties into agreement. They might take sides and offer legal advice. A bad mediator may also make the mediation about them by interrupting parties, or making negative comments about the case. What to do if you get a bad mediator? First, speak up and address your concerns directly with the mediator during the mediation. If that does not work, you can always request a different mediator. Or you may also withdraw from the mediation and explain what happened to the judge. It's important to know that you have options when you come across a bad mediator. In conclusion, please realize that mediators are human, just like anyone else. And if you get a mediator on a bad day, it's best to offer a little grace. But, if a mediator's actions start to affect your case, be sure to take steps to address your concerns. We hope you enjoyed learning more about good versus bad mediators. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.